Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically remove silence in CapCut PC. So you can select your video, and I'm just going to get like a text from auto captions. Of course, you're going to want to write it because the audio is silent. So I'm just going to generate it first. And I'm going to use that to generate an AI voice so that the video isn't silent, if you understand what I mean. But if your video is, you do have to type it yourself, but I'm just going to be using text that I have here. Select the text. Okay. And you're going to go to text-to-speech. And you're going to select a voice, for instance, Sarah. And you're going to
guys, and welcome back to this channel.
And you're going to select start reading. I think you do have to do it one by one, or if you select it a lot, I think you can also do that. Just like start reading. And yeah, you can just select everything. So.
And welcome back to this channel.
In this video, I'll be showing you guys.
Oh, but make sure this is separate, by the way, or else it's going to sound like that. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can remove silence in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.